10 Best Quotes of Film Vertigo 1958. His early retirement as a detective from the San Francisco Police Department, John Ferguson, Scotty to his friends, becomes obsessed with two women in succession, those obsessions which trouble his longtime friend and former fiancée, Midge Wood, a designer of women's undergarments. The first is wealthy and elegant platinum blonde Madeline Elster, the wife of his college acquaintance Gavin Elster, who hires John to follow her in Gavin's belief that she may be a danger to herself in thinking that she has recently been possessed by the spirit of Carlota Valdez, Madeline's great-grandmother who she knows nothing about, but who Gavin knows committed suicide in being mentally unbalanced when she was 26, Madeline's current age. Scotty, don't you think it's kind of a waste for the two of us? Madeline, to wander separately? But only one is a wanderer, two together are always going somewhere. Madeline, pointing to the margin of a cross-section of a sequoia who had lived for over 1,000 years, here I was born, and there I died. It was only a moment for you, you took no notice. Judy, if I let you change me, will that do it? If I do what you tell me, will you love me? Scotty, yes. Yes. Judy, all right. All right then, I'll do it. I don't care anymore about me. From the moment I met you, I knew you were dangerous. Madeline, hinting at the mystery and danger surrounding her. Only one is a wanderer, two together are always going somewhere. Gavin Elster, suggesting the power of connection and how it can change your path. You shouldn't keep souvenirs of a killing. You shouldn't have been that sentimental. Midge, highlighting Scotty's unhealthy fixation on the past. He did nothing, and the law has little to say on the subject of things left undone. Scotty, expressing his guilt and regret over failing to save Madeline. It's too late. There's something I must do. No, there is nothing you must do. There is nothing you must do. The internal struggle Scotty faces between obsession and letting go. Anyone could become obsessed with the past with a background like that. Midge, giving a voice to the idea that Scotty's past trauma fuels his obsession. The color of your hair. Oh, no. Judy, please, it can't matter to you. Scotty, revealing his unhealthy fixation on recreating Madeline in Judy. Scotty, one final thing I have to do. And then I'll be free of the past. Madeline, only one is a wanderer, two together are always going somewhere. Scotty, there is something I must do. There is something I must do. Midge, you know, the Chinese say that once you've saved a person's life, you're responsible for it forever. Madeline, here I was born, and there I died. It was only a moment for you, you took no notice. Gavin Elster, the things that spell San Francisco to me are disappearing fast.